Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. And yes, I do have a mic now, so I will mostly not be talking in the game. I will be talking with the mic. And yes, this is basically like a voice reveal. And then, yeah, let's get straight to the video. So we're in the rec center. And like, the weird thing about it is as soon as I joined, there was like nobody here, so yeah. Alright. Let's hope my teammates are good. And that guy over there is actually, he was actually following us just because we were good levels. Splash! Let's go. It's wet. It's wet. Yep, as I said, we are definitely gonna carry them. Level 1 and level 1. It's funny. Shoot! Ooh, shoot, okay. Alright, I see how it is already. I get it. Here. I swear, if he sells, oh my god. Good reach. No, he's not gonna score. No way. What? What is he doing? Oh my god, even his own teammate reached at him. That's sad. Yeah, that pixel guy's my friend. So, yeah. Oh, what? How is that red? No, I don't trust. What the hell are they all blue hair? Just what I wonder. Like, for real. Oh my god, stop leaving her open! Or not. I guess we'll take the miss too. We'll definitely take that. Oh my god! What is he doing? Man, he actually sucks. And they're leaving him open. Guys, defense! Dang, of course this team sells. And yes, I am actually gonna hit pro soon. Okay, he can actually make a shot, cool. And the noise in the background is my my PC, since I'm like, you know, like typing and stuff. Yeah. Shoot that, shoot it, shoot it. Oh my god, what is he doing? Okay, they actually tried. Oh my god. Yes, they suck. My team actually don't really have defense, to be honest. I'm the one defending and scoring the points. He better make that. Nice shot. I think we got this in the bag to me. Well, actually, never mind. It's a close game. I didn't even see the score. Oh, get that. Watch this. Euro. What? Yeah. Okay, it's got to. Oh. Okay, pretend that didn't happen. Trust me, that's the best option. Pretend that didn't happen, and everything is fine. Okay. Just remember the Euro step. Okay. Take your mind off the ankle breaker, please. I'm wide. Hello. Oh my god. He better make. Oh my god. So out. Oh my god, he says great accuracy, that's funny. No! Oh my god! Oh! Okay, got it, quickly. Okay, we gotta clamps. Dang, the handles. Oh. Don't let her make a 3, no! Yes! Come on, buzzer beater. Flash! Hey! Let's go!
You win!
That's a good dub. Look how close I am to getting to pro. And in my next videos, I am going to make a video where I hit pro. I am literally so excited. Why are we naked? Whatever, let's start another game. This will be the last game of the video. Oh wow, the pro record is actually pretty bad. Like, I know my record is 14-5. You guys seen my park record though, it's like 100 and something wins. Dang. Their team though, they got a center and a power forward. GG. Gotta play for real and hope we win the game, I guess. I don't know. Oh, what the hell? How is he gonna get the rebound? What the hell? He's so small compared to that guy. Wow, he didn't even try. Oh my god, he's AFK. No. Oh my god. Pass it to my boy. About to sauce you up with no handles. Oh my god, and our pros have GG. Oh, he missed! He missed, he sold. The hell, even my teammates reaching. Yeah. Splash. What? Oh my god. Shoot that, hurry up. I swear. Okay. Just gotta wait until that guy comes back and we're kind of like set, I guess. I'm not sure. This video's gonna end in a few minutes. Please no. Okay, defense. No! What are you doing? You went back? God, you went back? Oh my god, he's actually pretty bad. Like, no joke. He's not even on an alt either, even though he looks like he's on one. Splash! This guy better come back, I swear to god. Like, literally, he's basically my only hope right now. Oh my god. Rebound, yes! Okay, I think we still have a chance, Still got a chance. No! Oh, set back! Get out of here. Oh my god! Trey, you inbound, you're stupid. God. False scoring! Oh my god. What? Splash. Oh!
What is that?
What is what?
That.
This thing?
Yeah.
Where I'm at?
Yeah.
It's the rec center. It's been in the game.
Why is it there now?
Because, I don't know.
Does it give you points for pro? Or does
yeah.
or can you only get it from the park?
You can get it from the rec center, AJ.
Oh,
Splash.
are these bigger games?
Splash. Yeah, there's more people in these games.
Well, I'm gonna play. I can buy it, but they don't talk to me. And then when I die, you can play again.
Ha! You missed. No.
Actually, if you score the next point, like you score, not a teammate, then you can keep playing.
Okay.
Oh, that guy's tall. Let's go.
Pass.